Hi, I'm Dyawarshetty, a passionate and strategic digital marketer. This e-portfolio showcases who I am, what I believe in, and how I blend creative, empathy, and data-driven thinking to build impactful brands. For AI-generated visuals to SOE articles and storytelling pieces, everything here reflect my voice, my journey, and my vision for marketing that truly counts. In this video, I'm gonna go through each page of the website. Let me take a moment to talk about my personal brand and what makes me different. Positioning statement. I describe myself as an enthusiastic and results oriented digital marketer and business developer. But what really sets me apart isn't just my technical skill set, it's my mindset I bring to every project. I approach my work with a combination of creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. And most importantly, I led with love and effort. I genuinely care about creating work that makes an impact not just on numbers but on people. I focus on developing marketing ideas that go behind just trends or quick wins. For me, it isn't about building trust, creating long term brand value, and delivering campaigns that are both strategic and emotionally engaging. Whether it's designing a digital content strategy, running a social campaign, or exploring new growth opportunities, I approach it with bold creativity and attention to detail. I'm also someone who learns from every challenge. I value adaptability and empathy, and I believe these qualities help me connect deeply with people and solve real problems. I use storytelling and data together to speak to both hearts and minds. Finally, I committed to building my brand in a real and authentic way through sharing insights, showing case my work, and staying open to growth. My long-term goals is to become a reliable and progressive marketing partner for businesses who want to create genuine impact, not just hype. And I'll walk you through my resume page and download my resume here. And let's go to my experience. This is where I mentioned my experience, what I have did, and what I'm currently doing. The same about section. I mentioned about my education, where I'm studying and where I used to study. Let's discuss about my portfolio where I mentioned three pieces of content. The first content piece I have included in my portfolio is an SEO optimized article. I titled it as What I Learned from Building My Personal Brand as Marketing Student. The purpose of this article was to reflect on my personal branding journey and share key lessons that other students or early professionals can learn from it. And the main theme I explored include self-awareness, how understanding my own strengths and values helped shape my brand. And the second one is storytelling because people remember emotions, not just achievements. And the next one is consistency, maintaining a clear, aligned presence across my website, LinkedIn, and content. And the next one is AI tools can support, but authenticity still wins, where it shows which supported my creativity but does not replace my voice. And finally, I believe progress greater than perfection, learning that showing up genuinely is more powerful than trying to be flawless. This article not only helped me to clarify my voice as a digital marketer, but also showed my ability to write, reflect, and communicate with a purpose. And my next project is AI visual identity. These two AI generated images represent both the professional and creative side of my brand. first visual shows my brand identity. That floating icons like videos, messaging, and analytics reflects the tools I use to driven results, which the glowing flow highlights my growing online presence and confidence. Visual 2 is more visionary. The cosmic setting represent my limitless mindset and my floating in tiles, strategy, blocks, ideas show how I communicate and build trust. Together, these visuals reflect who I am and a bold, purpose driven digital marketer blending creativity with strategy. My next project is infographic branding journey. This infographic captures the 5 key steps I took to build my personal brand as a marketing professional. It starts with the self awareness and defining my brand positioning, followed by creating valuable content, building a consistent digital presence, and embracing a growth mindset. This visual design reflects my creativity, while the structure shows my clarity and strategic thinking. It is not just a graphic, it's a snapshot of my personal and professional growth. Now let's go to my blog, and here is a blog. It shows like how to stand out in the digital marketing space, shares how built my personal brand using self-awareness, storytelling, and consistency. It's all about being authentic using tools like ChatGPT wisely and showing up with purpose. Now let's go to reflection. One of the most valuable experience in my marketing journey was building this personal brand. At first, I thought personal branding was just about visuals, but this project taught me it's about clarity, consistency, and authenticity. Creating my positioning statement helped me to define who I am and what stands for me. I brought that to life through an infographic, AI visuals, and SEO article, each showing a different side of my brand. This journey boosted my skills in tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Wix, and Delhi. More importantly, it taught me that branding is about growth, not perfection. Now I am feel confident, creative, and ready to show employers that strategic and empathic marketer I have become. Now let's go with my contact page. Here you can contact me through my Gmail or you can give me a call, and here you can book an appointment with me. Here are the slots, and the other thing you can book online as well, where I have mentioned a separate blog to book the session, content strategy section, SEO consultancy, and brand storytelling workshop. You can book any course if you want. And you can find my LinkedIn through going to a contact section. Just press on the link and it will redirect to my LinkedIn account as well, where you can see my all my personal things so you can understand what I am. Thank you.